Anna? Anna, I broke my Barbie doll. Please do something. Please fix it for me.
This doll can't be fixed, Ananya.
Sir, courier.
Ananya, come here. I've got something for you.
Yes, Anna?
This one's for you.
It's a doll, a Barbie doll. Thank you, Anna.
Money worth spending on. I can always get a headphone later. It was a good test. I'm sure I'll get good marks.
You know about the national debate competition, right? Well, I want to take part in it. You know how much I love to debate, right? But it's very expensive. And my parents feel it's not worth spending 1,500 and to take part in it. I really don't know.
Don't worry. We'll figure out something, okay? My birthday treat can wait. Sana needs this money more than I do right now. I can explain this to my friends, and I'm sure they will understand. Sana, keep this.
No, Jay, this is your money. The money you save for your treat. I can't take this. No.
For all that you've done for me, this is nothing. This is the least I could do. I want you to take part in this competition and win. And then we could celebrate together.
I don't know what to say. Why are you sacrificing this for me, Jay?
Sacrifice is not something you regret. It's something you aspire. Please, keep it.
Okay. Thank you, Jay.
England have won the toss, Andrew. What are you going to do?
Yes, I can finally watch my match that I missed on Thursday.
Obviously, quite useful overhead conditions. So
Match, all the time.
And get some early inroads.
Sunday is the only day that I actually get to watch my matches. Can I watch it in peace for once?
I do all the work. And you get to relax every weekend. Weekdays, my boss gives me never-ending work. And when I think I can get peace at home, the maid doesn't come. And I have to do the work here also. Even on weekends.
Nicely played.
Woman, but then she works so hard every day and makes sure that I don't get delayed for office. That's it. I shall surprise her. Sahana, what do you want to eat for lunch today? I am your chef for today. Your wish is my order.
What? You? Cooking? On a Sunday? When you have an important match to watch? Right.
Well, I can watch my recorded matches whenever I wish to. And I can sacrifice this weekend for you. You know why? Because your happiness is my happiness.
Well, today's my lucky day. You don't have to cook. I can manage that. But would you mind helping me with vegetables?
Yes, boss.
Pa, there's just 1 month for my birthday. What are you gonna get for me? It's my 16th birthday, Pa.
Nikki, there is still so much time for that. It'll be a surprise for you. Now go to sleep. We have to go to the hospital tomorrow. Good night.
Mr. Jay, your daughter has become very weak. We have to do a transplantation before it gets much worse. I suggest that you register for a cadaver as a donor and make the required arrangements soon. I'll give you the details of the operation and brief you on the procedure.
Pa, what did the doctor say? What is gonna happen to me?
Nikki, nothing's gonna happen to you. Everything's gonna be alright. Appa will always be there for you.
Mr. Jay, your daughter has become very weak. We have to do a transplantation before it gets much worse. I suggest that you register for a cadaver as a donor and make the required arrangements soon. I'll give you the details of the operation and brief you on the procedure.
I miss him so much, Ma.
I miss him too. But he's always with us. He lives within you.
Ma? What do you mean?
Daddy asked me to give this letter to you on your birthday. Read it.
Dear Nikki, happy birthday. May you get happiness in everything you do and enjoy every bit of your work. I will be dead by the time you get this, but I'm not completely dead. I live within you. You were born with a weak heart, and when I found out, I decided to donate all my organs if anything ever happened to me. My heart, Nikki, is your 16th birthday gift. Live your life to the fullest. I will always love you and look out for you. Happy birthday once again, Nikki. Take care of Ma for me.
These were his last words, Nikki. He asked me to write them and give it to you on your birthday. The time he met with an accident, the doctors said he had to be removed from life support as he was critical and wouldn't survive for long. They even asked me if he had registered for organ donation. So I told them he had, and they could donate all his organs to those in need and his heart to you. Come here. Register for organ donation and help save a life.